Hi guys, I'm Sylvia and this is Olivia and this is our bowl of
Smashy eggs.
Smashy eggs. We decorated all of these and they are full of confetti and they are full of fun and they're super fun, easy activity to make for Easter since we have been spending a whole lot of time at home. I'm sure you guys have too. This has kept us pretty busy and we've had a lot of fun and we can't wait for Easter and we're gonna smash them on people's heads.
On your head.
On mine. On our head. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna show you how to make these. To get started with a smashy egg project, we're going to take the eggs that you're going to eat and gently smash one end against the surface and peel a hole the size of a quarter so you can get the whole egg out from there and put it in a container so that you can cook it later. After that, you're going to wash the eggshell really well and then you're gonna let them dry. Get all of the coloring materials that you can find in your house. Paints, crayons, markers, Sharpies, anything that you can find. And it's time to get creative. Here we are painting some circles and lines. The markers are very good to make little dots, squiggly lines. You can use the paintbrush and paint to paint the whole egg. You can make rainbows, you can make anything you want. Paint, draw little circles, draw little drawings, write anything you want, but do be very careful because yes, they are very fragile. They are eggshells, so yeah, they break, but don't worry about it. The next part is to fill the eggs up with confetti. I had some of this colorful tissue paper confetti that is biodegradable and it's really easy to clean up. Fill the eggs up with a good amount of confetti. You can create a nice rain of colorful confetti. You then need to make the seals for the eggs. We're going to use tissue paper and cut circles big enough to cover the holes on the eggshells, and then we're going to put a little bit of glue all around the edge of the hole and seal it with those larger circles of tissue paper. And that's it. You have smashy eggs. You can play catch with the smashy eggs. You can break them in your hand. You can break them very gently on other people, on their backs, on their heads, or whatever you want. Get creative. Send me pictures. Send me messages. Tell me what you did with your smashy eggs. Guys, the trick to doing this is be gentle. It can still hurt. This is it. This is how you make smashy eggs. I hope you guys give these a try and I hope you guys enjoy it. Eat a lot of eggs this weekend so you can make some. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see.
On her head.
Don't smash it on her head. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos and I'll see you guys next week. Happy Easter. Stay safe.
Happy Easter.